Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel with Ammar. So today I am at Central Ladprao in Bangkok. So this is the biggest shopping mall in Ladprao Road. So I will show you inside. There are many stalls, many shops and many brands we will visit today, and let's go. We have to check it out. So there is the entrance. So this entrance is connected with MRT Sky Bridge. So here is my friend.
Hello, my name is JJ and we are here in Ladprao for some shopping and food, something just like that.
This is the
Donut shop.
Donut. Yeah, as you know, right? He's
And
my friend.
coffee.
He's living here. In here is Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks.
I love Starbucks.
You love Starbucks, really? Okay. So
Which one is your like? Which one is your favorite? Cappuccino, Americano, Espresso, which
so
one?
after this video, we will go. Okay?
Yeah,
Huh?
okay, thank you.
So JJ, can you tell me about this Central Ladprao City? Central Ladprao
Actually,
Mall?
this is a mall for shopping and for food, right? For
Yeah.
shopping and for food.
Okay.
So subscriber, can you suggest what should we do first? Should we eat first or should we shopping first?
Oh, sorry, I interrupt you. Look at this.
This is a Christmas tree because nowadays there is a lot of things about Christmas.
Wow, that's the great. They create very nice. And look at this. So I think we have to go over there.
Yeah. Let's go on.
He's very friendly and very funny guy, right?
Can you guess which brand is this? Can you guess? This is Guess brand.
Guess brand, right? Oh wow, that's great. So let's go to shopping, right?
I think first we need to eat first.
We need to eat first,
Yeah,
right?
I think
I
because-
heard someone. I think there is an event, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I think someone is from the film industry or something. Just like that.
Okay. Here you can see, and you know this Central Ladprao is the main hub of teenagers.
Oh, teenagers.
Right? You can see all of the teenagers here. Oh,
คุยกันก่อนนะคะตอนนี้
oh yeah. Oh, look at the lot of people.
หลังจากนั้นแล้วชิ้นสุดท้าย
Look at the media.
เริ่มเลยเดี๋ยวพูดคือมาโอ้โหไม่ได้ไหมอ่ะโอ้โห
Oh.
โอ้โหโอเคค่ะเวลาแป๊บนึงคนนั้นถ้าเรายังไม่เสร็จแป๊บนึงโอเคยังคะโอ้โห
Look at the passion of photography.
พร้อมไหมคะจับเวลา 30 วินาทีมาคลำได้แต่ว่าอย่าเพิ่งลืมตานะคะอ่ะมาคลำได้เลยค่ะลองจับดูสิเขาทำท่าอะไร 30 วินาทีเริ่มค่ะอะไรอย่างน้อยเขาหลับตาเขายิ้มเขาอ้าปากหรือเปล่าหรือยังไงเอาให้ครบนะคะยกขาไหมกระดกนิ้วก้อยหรือเปล่า
We are going to announce about the winner.
JJ, look at the photography passion. Look at the photography passion.
หกห้าสี่
Look at that.
สามสอง
Winner, right?
ศูนย์หมดเวลาเขาบอกว่าเป๊ะเฮ้ยกรรมการว่าไงอ่ะดูก่อนเฮ้ยหมดเวลาแล้วนะเอ้ยเหมือนหรือไม่เดี๋ยวให้กรรมการดูคะแนนกันก่อน คุณคิดว่าเขาเหมือนเรา 100% ไหมคะ
ยังไง
อ่ะยังไง
Look at these photographers.
จ้า
จ้า
ไม่มีทีมฉันเลยมัมมี่ทั้งหมดเลย
เหมือนหรือเปล่าเฮ้ยเขามั่นใจเขาบอกเช็คเลย
โอเค
เดี๋ยวดูก่อนว่ากรรมการให้คะแนนว่ายังไงนะคะ
ครับ
ถ้าเหมือนกันสมมติ10 จุด ต้อง10 คะแนนเลยเนาะแต่ถ้าไม่เหมือนแม้แต่จุดเดียวคือตัดคะแนนไปแล้ว1เลยได้ทั้งหมด7 คะแนน
ครับกรรมการจะอยู่จังหวะนี้เลยผมเป็นกลางไม่มีความเป็นกลางผมเป็นว่า
Look at that. JJ, I think we should sit inside, right? This is not a review, okay? It's not a sponsor. Just
That's why it's not a sponsor.
yes. Oh, another Christmas tree, right? So you like that the Jeep wagon, right? Jeep wagon.
Do you know what is the most thing I like in it? The sound of opening and closing. But it's closed now. Yeah.
They're closed, right?
Wait and see.
Mercedes AMC. How much is that? The cost about? I think they mentioned here.
It's not too much expensive.
Just 1 million, around 8 lakh, right?
17 million.
800,000, right? 1 million, almost
79.
800,000. So that means 1,800,000. For you, it's very easy, right?
Yeah, it's very cheap.
Very cheap, right?
But I don't want to buy it.
You don't want to buy right now, huh? Okay. Boring, JJ?
Getting bored? No.
Huh?
Never.
You're not
How
getting
can
bored?
I get bored? Yes.
How you can get bored?
How? Because we are in Central Ladprao. How can we get bored here? There is a lot of events, a lot of shopping, a lot of food, a lot of teenagers.
That's a good point, right? At last.
The last one.
Okay, let's go further.
Let's go up. Yeah.
So next destination is
A to Z.
A to Z. A to Z is the famous about it. But right now is the winter, right? Winter collection.
Yeah.
Winter collection. That's nice. A to Z sponsored winter collection clothes. Okay, I show you today. Look at the handsome of the day. Where are you going? Huh? Oh,
This is for what? I think for motorbike riding.
for motorbike.
Oh, stunning.
Stunning, right? Oh, thanks, man. Okay, I think we should go there. So what is our last destination?
The last one, now we are going to have dinner. So see you in next vlog. Thank you so much, and I will suggest you to like and subscribe and share the video as well. See you guys. Bye bye. Take
What?
care.
Wait. Sorry. Like what?
Like video and share video and subscribe channel.
What about my channel?
Travel with Ammar.
Travel with Ammar. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
See you next vlog. Bye bye. I hope you like my vlog with JJ. Huh?
Yeah.